Hello friends, my name is Kalpana and in this video I am going to talk about a topic that is how to think in English and I also share my trick, and with this trick you will be able to think in English and be fluent very soon. Many learners always says it is difficult to think in English and some of says it's not possible to think in English. So my dear friends, it's happened in the beginning because our mother tongue influence to think in English. When you talk to someone in English, you will start thinking in your mind and then translate it into English, and it is very easily visible on your face and it makes you unconfident, uncomfortable. Then person very easily get you are not comfortable to speak in English. If you really want to learn this language, you have to think in English, and in order to think in English you have to train your mind. I have also trained my mind and still I am doing this. Now I am going to tell you how I train my mind. Whenever I have time, I choose a topic and on that topic I make some sentence randomly 15 to 20 and start practicing on that in my mind. It's not really to speak someone, not verbally, it's only happening in my mind. And you also do this, it's really work. You give yourself access to English content like more speaking, more listening and reading. When more of English enter in your mind and the more of English will create in your mind, then outcome as a output. And with this practice you will think in English. Once you get used to thinking in English, you will be very soon fluent. My point is, translation is not the right way to speak English while speaking to someone. You have to avoid using translation while talking to someone in English. Gradually, the percentage of translation will be less. Then you will be able to think in English and you will able to frame sentence and delivering to English. Okay, I give you my example. Suppose I want to have tea. So on this topic, what I will think in my mind? I will think for making tea about ingredient, procedure and time. Like, and this is only happening in your mind. By this process, you also think in mind. Yeah, I know it is very long exercise. It will take more time, but it's really work. Once you get used to think in English, so you will fluent very soon. My dear friends, remember one thing, you can do it difficult little bit. It might seem uncomfortable, but you can do it. If you do this process on regular basis, so you will able to think in English. For this, keep practicing and be fluent very soon. So that for today, we will meet again in next video. Please let me know in comment if you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and bye bye.